What we do here is go back.
Hey guys. Today I will show you a best 12-inch subwoofer. If you really have a small vehicle, but you want a lot of power that you can't get from an 8 or 10-inch subwoofer, then this is the subwoofer for you. It has one of the shallowest mounting depths at 3.28 inches. Despite its compact size, it has a nice power of 1,200 watts. This is one of the top-rated slim 12-inch subwoofers in this list. Build quality. This subwoofer has a high-quality polymica cone. There's also a butyl foam surround in this sub. Butyl rubber is well known for its ability to resist and endure exposure to all elements. Its dual 2.5 high-temperature voice coils are also able to resist corrosion. While it has a shallow mounting depth, this subwoofer can handle power of up to 1,200 watts. Its RMS is rated 600 watts. Although it can handle up to 1,200 watts, the sub can hold up to all kinds of music and volume level even at 600 watts. For all its good qualities, it also has some drawbacks. One is that there are 8 terminals needed to be wired in a series parallel. Adding to the confusion of Amazon.com reviewers is that the terminals are not labeled. 4 of the terminals are for input, while the rest are output. You'll have to wire them correctly, because if you don't, the best 12-inch shallow mount subwoofer will produce a horrible sound.
It's caught in the crossfire.